Hi, welcome back. It's Lego time again. Today we are building the Nature Glamping. It has Olivia and Mia and a cute little squirrel. It has 241 pieces and it comes with 2 bags. As you can see, I'm actually rebuilding this because I did rebuild it last year, and now I'm rebuilding it this year for camping time. So I have the pieces all laid out on the table, as you can see, and I'm just picking up pieces. There's little square little seats, and then the first minifigure is Olivia, and she has a new hairdo. It's Olivia. And then Mia, and then the cute little squirrel. Yeah. And I already assembled the bicycle already from last time because I'm rebuilding this set. And I'm going to put Mia on the bicycle. I think I'm going to put a helmet on her, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that yet. So I don't think I found the helmet yet. Anyway, and then yep, there it is. There's the helmet. And then there's a stick that you can roast marshmallows in the campfire, which we are going to build soon. And Olivia is going to hold the stick. See, there we go. And she's a little dancing. And let's get started with our Lego building. It's going to be in fast speed. So the first thing we're going to build is the campfire. It goes pretty quick because a lot of it's already assembled. So you just follow along in your book. And there's a telescope. And there's a campfire. Next we're going to build a tree where the little squirrel lives, and the hot tub is under. I wish I could build that fast, but I don't. In the background of this video, you might hear my fan going because where I live, we're going through a real heat wave this week. And I gotta keep my house cool. Sorry about the noise. Hopefully the music I'm playing will cover that up. This little squirrel was its home. There's a tree. Next, we're going to build the tent. Goes on the cover of the tent. the string of lights I already put together from the previous build I did on this. And you just attach them to each other and it holds it up. And we put them, we got Olivia sitting there with her marshmallows, and we have Mia on the bicycle going for a nature ride. The cherries keep falling out of the glass. And now they're going to go soak in their tub from their adventurous hike and bicycle ride, and to have a refreshing cherry drink. They didn't want to sit up in the tub very well, so I kept fighting with it. And eventually I'm like, okay, just lay down then. See how they keep falling over? They didn't want to sit up in that hot tub. I started getting frustrated. I'm like, look at her. She just... What was in that cherry drink? There we go. Cherries keep falling out of their drinks. The squirrel's just sitting up there laughing at them. Maybe they wanted to go for a swim. Then a soak in the hot tub. I just couldn't figure out how to get them to sit. See, okay. There we go. Now they're sitting, somewhat. And then here's some pictures. And there we have it. The Nature Glamping Lego Friends. There's the hot tub. And then an aerial view of the set. Then a view from the back of the tent where they have all their glamour stuff. And then a view from the front where you see the beds. And there they are. One's roasting marshmallows and one's watching the stars. Thank you for watching. Until next time.